Hi you guys, today we are going to be working in your Write-In Reader. What we are working on for the Write-In Reader is words that have short A. Short A says ah. Short A again says ah. So there's our A. Oh wow, that is very bright. I don't think you can see it. I'm going to go over this in red. I do know that you know this letter, but we're going over it. Short A says ah, and we are going to have words with short A, ah, in the middle. So, most of you have completed pages B, T, S, 1. I grabbed the wrong book. Hold on. Hi first graders. I had a really long day, so I'm sorry I'm getting this to you now. But today, what we are working on is the short sound for A, which is ah. Can you say ah? And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to be doing some rhyming recognition, and then we are going to send you a link to a story that is read aloud. Later on, we are going to read some words with short A and read a story called What is a Pail? And that is what we're going to do. So I'm going to do a couple short lessons for you, and I will send them. Okay, so I'm going to say two words. You're going to say yes if they rhyme, or no if they don't. Now, you're not in front of me, so what you have to do is talk to me on this video, which is so silly, but I'll give you the answer, okay? Let's do this together. The first two words are go, no. Those words rhyme. They have the same sound at the end of the word. G, O, N, O, and O is the same in both of those words. Rhyming words have the same sound at the end. Let's listen for the next rhyming here. Yes, me. Does yes rhyme with me? No. Yes and me do not rhyme. The next two, ready? Sad, mad. Yes. Out, pig. No, those don't rhyme. Run, fun. Yes, those two rhyme. In, lap. No, those don't rhyme. And last two, rip, bag. Do they rhyme? They don't rhyme either. Okay, that was just a very quick warm up. And I hope you guys had a nice day and got outside because it's sunny and warm. The next thing we're going to do is I'm going to send another video for beginning sounds, and you're going to hear our high frequency words.